Today we're going to try to eliminate some of the space in here. We're going to put these kayaks up into the purlins up here, the rafters of the roof. We got a pulley system. We're going to pull up and get them off the floor. You know, we don't use them every day, and they're taking up room on the floor. You know, backing in the lawnmower, trying to do any work. You know, you got to move them outside. So we're going to try to go ahead and get them up there to the top, hang them up. And that way, also, whenever we back up the truck, we can just drop them right onto the truck bed. So here we go. The bracket is up. There's one on the other side of that light over there. It's 6 foot apart. Since my kayaks are only 10 foot, so that gives me 2 foot on each side. And then we're putting a pulley up. It's pretty simple there. And this side's got the brake, so it'll be away from the door so I have to back the truck in. So we'll do the other side. So both pulleys are up. They're just screwed up to these purlins, these roof joists here, these rafters, with some metal screws. It's bolted together, and then like I said, the other side's got the brake on that side. So again, 6 foot apart, and that way I have 2 foot of clearance on each side of the kayak for the straps. All right, let's see if we can get this rope on. The ropes going through. We got 2 ropes that's going to go up this first pulley. One's going to come down a pulley and attach up to these holes, and the other one's going to go all the way to that pulley. So just make sure that you cut it the right length and stick them through the holes. That way you got your brake that locks up. So we're going to go ahead and put one pulley on now. So the other ropes run through this pulley here and it comes down and back up, and then all you're doing is putting one knot. Bring that knot in, and that secures it. And then this here rolls up. Alright, now we can get the, there's a strap that you put in between them that holds it 6 foot or whatever length you want. We're going to go ahead and tie it in. So this is the setup with the ropes all in the pulleys. You can tell right here, I got it basically on the floor. This rope right here is just to keep it from sliding off of the kayak. I cut it at 6 foot because that's what I put the pulleys at, 6 foot. Then you pull both of these and it all comes up at once. So now we can put the straps on the kayak. The straps that are on here, they got these little loops that's in here periodically at the end. So all you have to do is put these hooks through the loops. You know, you just run it through, and these flex so they come right to it. Then, you know, I tighten this string up a little bit, and it's hooked on this back side. So now all we have to do, in theory, is pull the rope. And it's got a brake. So, you know, I got the rope loose, so there's a brake there. Just keep pulling it. You can't get no simpler. And then when you want to let it down, you pull the brake this way and just let it on down. It's going to work out pretty good. Alright, so now go ahead and get this one to the ceiling. And the best advice is not to do this in the middle of summertime in the hot shop. So here we go. And then you can wrap it around hook. All right, and there we go. There's one. Now I got to do another one. All right, so here you see both of them are up. It took maybe 45 minutes to put them both up. It took longer to unravel the rope that came with them, and it just simply just screwed up to the top purlins up there. And I left the wheels on mine because sometimes I take it down, drag it out, work on it. You know, it doesn't really matter. But anyway, I'll put a link down below if anybody's interested in any of the hoist, the kayak hoist. They're cheap, maybe 25-30 bucks. Alright, thanks for watching.